Yep.
You put next to this thing. I put 5 in front of the man and a 60 in front of the man.
What's she doing, buddy?
She hits a big
What's she doing?
big switch. She says this thing's too heavy.
What's she doing?
You're gonna break it.
I can't hold it.
$10 cheaper closures.
He's giving you kisses, Mama.
No, she wants the camera. Wants the camera.
And
Can you give Grammy kisses, Parker?
Five
Oh, the
kisses.
camera, not.
We won't buzz. We just no boobs.
Well,
no boobs.
again, if I went into there, what would I get?
Ready for Mom? Did we just get ready for Mom all of a sudden?
Can you give
Well,
Grammy
it's
kisses,
selling in the
Parker?
$40 range.
Kiss.
My guess is I could probably
Kiss,
get
kiss,
probably-
kiss, kiss, kiss.
one would hope, but it's just one of those
Kiss, kiss.
things where you can go
Thank
in there
you.
and get that. But
Mwah.
me,
Thank you.
depending on like if I go in and buy for Brian,
Thank you.
See, he's giving you
I usually
kisses.
try to do something,
Mwah. Thank you.
and one of the person,
Yeah.
everyone else, they don't even.
A kiss
Yeah.
from Parker.
Whoa. Oh, goodness sake.
What was that?
Hi, Parker.
What was that?
Give me
You ready
a
for our food?